Okay, I will start department wise now. Okay, now we'll start from spinning examples. In spinning mill, okay, the spinning process, the preparatory process starts with the mixing. Mixing is the first stage. Mixing, blow, carding, drawing, combing, ring frame, winding. Second thing, if we come into the carding machines, carding is heart of the spinning industries. Cotton cardings. I'm not talking about any other models and other things. I'm not talking about the objectives of the carding. In carding, the lap is converted into sliver form. The dust is removed. The fibers are still open. Okay, in the high-speed rollers, the mechanisms. Okay, in that again, the very thin, the input of the carding is lap. The output of the carding is the thin web of the card. The thin web. The thin web is there, no. That is very, very important. That thin web coming out of the carding machine and condensed into the roller and winded in the drum. The sliver, the web coming and winding, condensed and winding on the drum, that's different. But the web is there, no. If the humidity is not under control, if humidity is reduced, if humidity is more, if humidity is very less, the web will not produce uniformly. The web of the cotton fiber, the web of the open fiber, the sheet, very thin film of the cotton fiber sheet will not form big if the humidity is not controlled. If the moisture is not required percent of the moisture is not controlled in the carding department, the web will disturbed. The web, if web is disturbed, if the web, the weight per unit area is disturbed, then that will affect the weight per unit length of the sliver. If the weight per unit length of the sliver is varied, then automatically throughout the next process, the drawing, combing, simplex drawing, everywhere the weight per unit length will vary. The coefficient of variation C percentage will be there. Okay, and finally, ultimately, whatever the yarn is spun, that is also affecting the weight, the evenness of the yarn. It is affecting the evenness of the yarns. CV percentage. There are all the other things are there, and also it is affecting cohesionous properties. It is affecting the twist factors. So many things are there. If humidity is not, what is a very important subject in the mill, humidifications. Okay. Okay now. Hope you have understood on humidification. For better knowledge, for more information, please refer textile books. Okay, many other sources are there. Okay, you can search. Okay, we'll come to know the more on humidifications. Okay, hope you understood. Okay, I'm closing this topic. Please subscribe to my channel Guru Veera Tutorials, especially exclusively for textile technology and fashion technology. Those who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and share to your friends, those who are interested in this line, textile and fashion line, and like it. Okay, and click the icon button in the mobile below this video, so that all my videos, whenever I am releasing the video weekly, that will come into your inbox, so that you will aware that Guru Veera Textile has released new videos. Okay, thank you very much.